Our goal is to make plant-based foods taste better and more nutritious.
I think we'd all agree that in the past 20 years, plant-based foods have come a long way, but they're still not good enough.
And as a result, plant-based foods don't taste very good.
We're solving for root problems, digging into the fundamentals of how food works to solve challenges at their core, not to modify and mask.
We're an ingredient company, and we think the biggest impact we have is to create solutions that help the industry move forward.
There was an old way that things got solved in the food industry, and those old ways aren't working anymore.
Motif is taking a very different approach to how food science is done and how plant-based products are made.
We exist because there is a huge push to get more plant-based foods out there.
The kind of change that the consumers are looking for are foods that are going to solve for better health, better sustainability, and better for animal welfare.
Customers have been coming to us because they are looking for ways to make their product better.
When we work with partners, their food is going to taste better than it does today.
We know that the bar has to be a lot higher for the experiences that consumers have with plant-based foods. This is a very, very high bar, but we can get there.